coronavirus outbreak continues its silent spread in almost every continent. The infection rate in Africa is on the rise. But how prepared is Africa to handle the pandemic? In 2014, Liberia was faced with the outbreak of the Ebola virus, killing thousands. After months of quarantine and aggressive treatment, the outbreak was contained. At the completion of a 42-day period, Liberia was declared Ebola-free by the World Health Organization in January 2016. One of the key lessons from the Ebola outbreak was the need to strengthen the weak health infrastructure across Africa. The coronavirus emerged in Wuhan, a city of 11 million people in China's Hubei province in late 2019. On March 11th, the World Health Organization declared COVID-19 a pandemic, citing over 118,000 cases of the coronavirus illness across 110 countries and territories, and the sustained risk of further global spread.
We have never before seen a pandemic sparked by a coronavirus. This is the first pandemic caused by a coronavirus. And we have never before seen a pandemic that can be controlled at the same time.
Most African governments have introduced several measures to curtail the spread of the coronavirus. From imposing travel restrictions, prohibiting large gatherings, to nationwide lockdowns. We start off in Ghana with President Nana Akufo-Addo.
It has become necessary to take additional measures to stem the spread of the virus and protect the lives of our people. More personal protection equipment are being procured to beef up supplies for our frontline health workers. 50,000 additional test kits have been ordered and are expected in the country very shortly.
Nigeria was the first country in sub-Saharan Africa to record the deadly virus. In his address to the nation on the pandemic, President Muhammadu Buhari assured Nigerians that protecting citizens from the COVID-19 was a priority for his administration.
You are working with the Ministry of Health on protecting our citizens from COVID-19 virus. As a government, this is now a key priority for us.
Sierra Leone's President Julius Maada Bio has declared a state of public health emergency to tackle the coronavirus. The 12-month state of emergency began on the 24th of March. Sierra Leone is among few countries to be free of the COVID-19. In Kenya, President Uhuru Kenyatta on Wednesday ordered a nighttime curfew to curb the spread of the coronavirus. The president also announced that he was taking a massive pay cut and unveiled tax breaks to ease the economic impact of the crisis on citizens. In a lengthy address to the nation, Kenyatta warned he would not hesitate to take more drastic measures if Kenyans did not make efforts to limit the spread of the virus.
Friday, 27th March 2020, there will be a daily curfew from 7 p.m. to 5 a.m. in the morning.
President Cyril Ramaphosa ordered a 21-day nationwide lockdown for South Africa and the most drastic measures on the continent to tackle the spread of the coronavirus. The lockdown went into effect at midnight on Thursday, March 26th. Addressing the military, he stated that the order was necessary to fundamentally disrupt the chain of transmission.
This is a moment to be supportive to our people. When they see you patrol with your guns, they will be fearful, but make sure that when they see you, they see kindness of the state of South Africa. They should even get to a point where they may want to give you roses, but we will not accept roses. But we want them to know that you are there to be supportive of them.
Rwanda has taken several measures against the spread of COVID-19, including setting up hand-washing stations at public transportation terminals. President Paul Kagame on Thursday joined G20 leaders for the extraordinary virtual summit on COVID-19. At the end of the summit, the G20 leaders' statement was issued, which called for a coordinated global response to fight the pandemic, adopting measures to safeguard the global economy, minimizing trade disruption, and steps to enhance global cooperation. The novel COVID-19 is a global emergency. It has no respect for geographical climate, race, class, gender, or age. We must follow all preventive measures laid out by the World Health Organization in order to defeat the disease. The first batch of donations made by the Jack Ma Foundation to help fight the coronavirus outbreak is being acknowledged across the 54 countries on the continent. As the number of cases and fatalities continue to rise, this is a wake-up call for leaders in Africa to put more efforts in strengthening the health infrastructure system for posterity. In no distant time, there will be nowhere to run and nowhere to hide. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.